Good morning, friends. Usually, we apply mustard cake powder or mustard cake liquid fertilizer in our gardening plants, maybe in fruit plants or vegetable plants or in any kind of flowering plants. This contains lots of micronutrients, NPK, and other micronutrients also. And this is the mustard cake powder. This contains NPK ratio is 3 is to 1 is to 1, that is 3% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus, 1% potassium. But today I am sharing this is groundnut cake fertilizer. This nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium ratio is 8 is to 3 is to 3. That means this contains thrice the time of nitrogen content than the mustard cake powder, and phosphorus and potassium content is 3 times than the mustard cake powder. So this is very easily available in any of the nursery or online. You can buy this powder form of groundnut cake fertilizer. So how to apply it and how to increase its power so that it can grow, and this contains lots of nitrogen. If you apply on small plants, that will readily grow in a big plant, and that if you apply any of the chemical nitrogen fertilizer, in that place you can apply this groundnut cake fertilizer. This is very beautiful and 100% organic fertilizer for any kind of flowering plant or vegetable plants. And how to apply it, just I am showing you, see how to apply it. This is the powder. I will be taking 100 gram of this groundnut cake fertilizer, and I will soak it and ferment it in 1 liter of water for 3 days. You have to ferment it for 2 to 3 days. And how to apply it, how to mix, what to mix with it, and how to increase its power 10 times its power, that I am showing you. I am taking earthen pot here. So earthen pot is best for fermentation. In that I am adding this brew of this rice brew. So it is in our area is called bhater mar, and this is applying 100 ml. If you have, then you can add or you can skip it. And in that I am adding jaggery. This is the sugarcane jaggery. I am adding 100 gram. If you want, you can add 50 gram also. So this contains lots of calcium, iron, and lots of sucrose. So this will help in fermentation of the bacteria, increasing in fermenting bacteria, and this will soften your soil. So this contains enormous numbers of micronutrients, and this will fasten your this fermentation process. So that I am adding. So this is very good fertilizer also for your soil. This will soften your soil, and the plant's roots will grow enormously. So adding 500 ml water here, and again I will be adding another bottle of 500 ml of water. So in total I am adding 1 liter of water. Then we will mix it properly so that all the materials can dissolve it properly, mix it properly. So let it mix it properly, and after that I will cover it and keep it for 3 days. But in every day we will mix it, stir it properly so that the mixing and fermentation process occurs properly. So this is the solution you can see, and we will keep it for 3 days, and after 3 days we will show what is the situation. And after 3 days I will add another one thing that I will show you, so that the capacity and power of this fertilizer will be enormously. So this is the thing, and wait for test. And I will apply and mix it with 10 liters of water in it, so that it can be multiply into 10 liter solution, so that it can be diluted properly. So this is very organic fertilizer, 100% organic fertilizer, very beautiful. For you don't need any kind of chemical fertilizer for your plants. If you apply this, you can buy it online or any offline in the nurseries and any of the agriculture shops. These are easily available in the nurseries, and this costs much higher than this mustard cake, but this is very reasonable. So let it wait, and wait for 3 days. Welcome friends. This is the after 3 days. I am showing you what is the result of this mixture here that I have fermented for 3 days, and that I am showing you. Let it stir it properly. That I am stirring it, and this is the consistency of this solution. This is here, and now I will be adding one more thing, very beautiful for this plants. This is Epsom salt. This chemical is magnesium sulfate. I will be adding 20 gram. 20 gram of Epsom salt. This will increase the chlorophyll composition in the plants, and that will enhance the photosynthesis process. And this is very and this contains also sulfur, so plant growth will be enormous. I am adding 100 ml of water so that this can be dissolved easily, and these are dissolved easily in 2 to 3 minutes time. You can say the all salts will be dissolved here, and after that I will be adding in this 1 liter of solution that I made from groundnut fertilizer that I am adding here. Just see, after the dissolving it properly, mix it with this 1 liter of solution. So I have added it, and it will increase the immense power of this organic fertilizer. And how to apply it? Just mix it properly, and this is more than 1 liter of solution. Then I will be adding in 9 liter of water. In 9 or 10 liter of water, if you want, you can take 20 liter of water also. If you want to make it very diluted solution, then I am adding it here 1 liter of solution here in 9 liter of water. So total makes it 10 liter of solution. And now stir it properly, and after stirring it, how much quantity I am adding in which plant, just see, because this is very necessary, how much quantity you have to add and in which intervals you have to add. So in all your flowering plants, all your vegetable plants, all your fruit plants you can apply, but you have to apply all the outdoor plants, not in indoor plants or any cactus or succulent. You don't have to apply, you should not apply. So here before applying, I am stirring properly, and in small plants I am adding around 20 ml in each plant, but don't apply it in foliar spray. Directly apply directly in soil only. Don't apply it as a foliar spray. If you apply foliar spray, then the plants may be damaged. So I am applying in soil, and here in some chili plants you can see I am applying 50 ml in this chili plant, 6 ml 6-inch pot. And here the tomato plants are grown in 10-inch pot. In that plant I am adding 200 ml in each pot. So if you apply once today, then in 10 days gap you don't apply any kind of fertilizer. Here in petunia I also apply. So you have to apply in 10 days gap these kinds of fertilizer. Here you can see dahlia. Dahlia are very much heavy drinker, heavy feeder. So I am applying this fertilizer in dahlia plants also. So dahlia plants are very fond of these kinds of fertilizer. If you grow any kind of marigold or dahlia plants, so if you apply once in 10 days, you can see in 10 days time will see the enormous growth of plant, and all the buds will be big size and flowers will be enormous big size plants. This is 100% organic fertilizer, and you don't need any kind of chemical fertilizer. If you apply this fertilizer, that will be much better than mustard cake liquid fertilizer, and it will be very helpful for all your plants. So this is all this about this groundnut cake fertilizer. Hope find this useful, and thank you so much.